Hello everyone. Today I am explaining the Christmas nail art designs. Number 1, Chick Snowflakes. Who said holiday nails had to be red or green? We certainly didn't, and this delightfully dark design proves it. DIY with SE Infinity Cool and top with snowflake stickers. Number 2, gingerbread mani. This gingerbread manicure is the sweetest yet cheekiest festive mani we have ever seen. Recreate an style with a teddy brown polish like channels emulsion and trace with the white polish pen. And number third, iridescent emeralds. This iridescent emeralds money is equal parts festive and fashion forward, but the best part, it's easy to recreate. Get the look with Kelly Emeralds by Orle. Number 4, candy can French. Candy can, but make it fashion. Get this charming look with OP eyes, big apple red, and a white polish pen, or OPT for candy can pattern stick ons. In number 5th, delicate diamonds. If you are looking for something more low key, look no further than this delicate design. Simply top your glazed donut mani shade with shimmer top chord like ILNP's poise, and you are good to go. Slide writing. Number 6, Snobby Sapphire. Give blue Christmas as whole new meaning with this sapphire style. Paint your nails with kirky color sapphire and decorate with festive decals. Number 7, Cosmic Christmas. This abstract design is perfect for celebrating with friends and loved ones. Once again, proving that festive nails are by no means required to be red or green. DIY with mix of navy blue, black and silver. Finish the holographic top coat like ILNP's Mega.